It kind of is in a class all of its own. It's so unique. This is purpose-built for off-roaders.
This is the 2022 Hummer EV.
This is GMC's answer to what we've committed for an all-electric future and zero emissions.
Hopefully for crash tests might be a little heavier, but they say 30
Oh, this is
pounds
light.
or less.
Oh, this is definitely less than 30 pounds.
Yeah.
Wow. That's pretty impressive. I mean, not that I'm weak, but I'm not really that strong either. I'm gonna give this back to Curtis, and he's gonna put it on the truck for us. Thank you, Curtis. So let's see how easy and quick it is. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. Wow, 6 Mississippi. Look how nice the roof is. The roof is on fire. See how quick that went on? And Curtis has never done this before, it's the first time. So this 2022 Hummer EV, the first edition, is gonna have the Watts to Freedom mode in it, which is 0 to 60 in 3 seconds or less. It's an American flag. What the frunk? What the frunk is that? Can I get in there? Look at this, I didn't realize the paint here's got glitter in it. No junk in the front. You get in there and say it. We'll put you in it, Ted. Get in there, we'll put you in it. You can say no junk in the front. I like junk in the front though. This is nice. This is room back here for 3 dirt bikes. It looks better than I thought in person. It's not too big, not too small, but definitely makes an impression when it comes down the street.
The crab mode feature is exclusive to the Hummer EV. It is essentially where the rear wheels can match the front wheels. It moves diagonally. The extract mode. So if you're in a situation where you need to raise the suspension up, whether you're looking and utilizing the cameras underneath and I'm coming up on a rock, I need to make sure I can get over that. The front suspension actually lifts in a low gear 6 inches to get you over where you need to go.
The shifter's right here. It's big and bulky. It feels really nice in your hands. The steering wheel feels nice. It's got a light bar up here. I'm a big seatbelt person. Let's see how. Oh, okay. Seatbelt sits in a nice place. It's got the Sea of Tranquility on the speaker.
Armstrong is on the moon. Neil Armstrong.
That's 1 small step for man.
We see Neil Armstrong's footprint.
1 giant leap for mankind.
It's very sturdy in here. I mean, this is plastic, but it's like sturdy. This vent is shaped like an H. See how it's got the 2? It's supposed to be shaped like an H. These handles are nice. I see a speaker up here.
I think we surprised and delighted people in bringing this back in a fully reimagined, redesigned Supertruck, and the fact that it is a zero emissions vehicle.
I'm sitting in the middle. Pretty comfortable. It's stiff, good for your back. Still got plenty of room. I'm sitting on the tailgate. It didn't even move when I sat on it. The truck's beautiful. It feels really sturdy. Like, it doesn't feel crappy. Even the plastic parts don't feel crappy. And I just did the Escalade ESV, the 2021, and all the plastic in that was crappy. You know, I really don't like plastic in cars, but Obviously, I've got plastic back here, but I'm saying inside, when I touched some of the stuff inside, it was like real sturdy. You couldn't move it like in the Escalator. If you grab something that was plastic, you can actually like shimmy it around. In here, sturdy. This truck is amazing. 2022 Hummer EV. It was worth the flight here, 8 hours, but it's beautiful. We got to look at it, love it. Humdinger. Hummer. So I have one of the first editions. I was lucky enough to get it that night. I forget which night it was, Sunday maybe. But I can't wait till it comes, and when it comes, it'll come to you too. We can look at it together. '22 Hummer EV. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe down below, and keep looking out for some more videos. Bye-bye, LA.